Namaste to all. Welcome back to JS English channel. Let us get into third part of the part of speech exercises which are taken from intermediate first year English textbook. Let us see all the exercises which are given page number 113 in intermediate English textbook. So please refer to page number 113. So the exercises are very helpful in writing parts of speech. See, dear children, the very first one here, the 41 continuation of a second part. He carried a large umbrella. Here a large is an adjective, whereas here umbrella is a noun. Here the word which adds extra information to the noun. So here the word large is an adjective. How is the umbrella? Large umbrella. 42. We travel by train. Here travel. What are the other verb forms of travel? Travel, travels, traveled, traveled, traveling. Here it is an action word. We travel by train. Here the word travel is a verb. They did not comply with his request. Here with is a preposition. Pre means here before, position means here placed. Preposition, with is preposition, with, of, in, at, these are all preposition. Attitude is everything. Here attitude is a noun. So here this is attitude is everything. Attitude is a noun. Though they ran fast, they missed the bus. Here though is conjunction which joins two sentences. The very first sentence is here they ran fast, they missed the bus. Here which joins both the sentences. So though is a conjunction. Alas, 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 we have been defeated. See here alas which expresses sudden emotion. So it is an interjection. What is the word? Alas. What is the part of speech of alas? Interjection. The book which he gave me was interesting. Here he is a pronoun. Pro instead of the word which we use instead of a noun is a pronoun. He often makes mistakes. See here, adverbs of frequency. Often is an adverb. Add something to the verb. He often makes. How does he make? He often makes. So here the word often which adds extra meaning to the verb. Add something to the verb, that is makes. Make, makes, made, made, making. Make, makes, made, making. Jawaharlal Nehru was fond of children. Fond of means here like. Here of is a preposition. Virtue is its own reward. Here at the beginning of the sentence we can find virtue. Virtue means here moral excellence. Virtue is a noun. So dear friends, please subscribe my channel. Let us move on to another slide. Right, continuation of page number 113. Stormy is an adjective, whereas here very is an adverb. Here very is an adverb which adds to the adjective. How is the stormy? Here the word very qualifies adjective. So what is the adjective here? Stormy is an adjective, whereas very stormy, very is an adverb. Stormy is an adjective. Stormy means here, what is the meaning of stormy? Heavy rain or heavy wind which is usually occur near the sea. The sea is very stormy. The six fought bravely. How did the six fight? They fought bravely. Here the word bravely is an adverb. 99 of the adverbs ends with ly. Here the word bravely is an adverb. Here the word which adds extra meaning to the verb, that is fight, fought, fought, fighting. Fight, fights, fought, fighting. Fought is a verb, bravely is an adverb. Do you know how to play billiards? Yeah, billiards. Billiards. Actually, here the word ends with s, but it pronounced as z. Billiards. So here it is a game or sport. It is a name of a game or sport. So here it is a noun. My God, my God, I forgot my purse at the restaurant. Here, my God, it expresses a sudden feeling. So it is an interjection. My God is an interjection. Work hard or you will fail. Here the word or which joins or combines both the sentences. So here it is a conjunction. I must not forget to take my medicine. Here forget is a verb. Forget, forgets, forgot, forgot, forgetting. So you can use forgotten also. Forget, forgets, forgot or forgotten or forgetting. Here it is a verb. Have you taken my mobile phone? My. It is a pronoun. So here my is pronoun. She writes all her letters very carefully. Very is an adverb. I will be waiting for you at the bus stop. At, on, off, these are all prepositions. If it rains, the match will be cancelled. Here if is a conjunction which combines both the sentences. It rains, the match will be cancelled. Understand? If you do not use if, the sentence will be meaningless. If it rains, the match will be cancelled. So here if is a conjunction. So dear friends, please once again you have to go through your textbook page number 113 and try to do all the parts of speech exercises which are given in your textbook. So if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button and share it to your friends and family members. Please support me. Thank you. Have a nice day.